Hey, how's it going YouTube? My name is Damit. If any of you guys new to this channel, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Let's dive in. This is my 2004 Mustang V6 and it's my daily driver. It has about 165,000 miles on it. In the previous video, we fixed the engine misfire. But if you not have seen the video, please check the links in the description. Since then, engine works fine but still has a very slight misfire here and there. So I decided to get brand new coil pack from AmericanMuscles.com for $100. This is a very easy upgrade for this particular Mustang. First, I unplugged the 4-pin connector from the coil pack. Then I removed the 3 bolts that holding the old coil pack. Next, I installed the new coil pack in its original location. Then installed spark plug wires one at a time. However, I'm keeping the old coil pack as a backup. Just like that, we're done. And this is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please check my main channel for more videos or the links in the description. Like always, please don't forget to share, subscribe. I will see you next time.